In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Openai Chatgpt with Wix Chat. To get started, open your Wix account and go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, and it is where you will manage apps, settings, and other features connected to your site. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct website if you manage more than one. Next, look for the Apps section and then open the App Market. The Wix App Market is where you can find extra tools and integrations that add new features to your site. In this case, you are looking for an AI-powered chat solution that works with your Wix website and can help automate conversations with visitors. When you are in the App Market, use the search bar to look for ChatGPT or AI chatbot. This should bring up a list of related apps that are available for Wix. You may see options such as ChatGPT Assistant or Elf-Site ChatGPT, along with other similar tools. The exact apps shown can vary, so focus on finding one that matches the type of chat experience you want to add to your site. Once you find an app that looks right for your needs, select it to open the App Details page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the app does, how it works, and what features are included. It is a good idea to review this information before moving forward so you can choose the app that best fits your website. After that, click Add to Site. Wix will then guide you through the setup prompts. Follow each prompt carefully to connect the app to your website and complete the installation process. Depending on the app you choose, the setup may include basic configuration options for how the chatbot appears or behaves on your site. Move through each screen one at a time and confirm the settings as needed. Once the setup is complete, your ChatGPT chatbot integration should be added to your Wix site. At that point, you can continue adjusting the app settings inside Wix if needed, but the main integration process is done. That covers everything you need to know.